right, we got a CSX train heading down the line. We're at CP Draw at downtown Buffalo, New York. Before we get into this video, wanted to get into this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And let's get some trains right now. This is the first one. And yeah, we came to CP Draw to wait for the Buffalo and Pittsburgh train, or the BMP SIBF train that we're waiting for. So I don't even care what I catch. I'm only here to see the BMP SIBF train. Symbol on this train is CSX M368. The M368 originates from Chicago, Illinois at Bedford, maybe at Bedford Park. Chicago, Illinois at the clearing yard, heads east to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates on this Tuesday, July 11, 2023 by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. And yeah, it's gonna be a thunderstorm because of these stupid stormy clouds are pushing me. So I have to stay in the car and wait for another train because I'm not gonna be able to stay outside for so long. Because as you can see, the storm's coming. So I have to stay in the car while waiting for another train. But there's got to be a DPU somewhere because I see one engine on this train. DPU, all right, there it is once again. he is sure slowing down because he's about to work at the Frontier Yard in Buffalo, New York. This train about to head to the Frontier Yard to do some work, and then soon it's gonna head to Selkirk, New York. Just the end. And alright, onto the... Alright, on to the next clip. Roll it. Alright, we got CSX train hanging out of line. Right now it's pouring and shit. Not fucking like umbrella, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cold, bro. Oh my god, here we go. Right now there's a severe thunderstorm right now, and I'm railfanning in this stupid fucking idea, bro. And right now I just saw an Intermodal train right now, guys. Just yeah, and I don't even got a stupid fucking umbrella because we forgot it was raining outside. I didn't even know, bro. I didn't know it was gonna rain that time. You know, I gotta wait till 9 o'clock for a BNP Series train. So I hope I can have a chance. If it doesn't come, then I don't know what to say. I might not catch it today, so I hope I find out. Symbol on this train is CSX IO10. The IO10 originates from Chicago and went at Bedford, New Jersey, where it terminates. I see the end. You can get protection though. Probably stormy outside, just letting you know. That's probably the worst idea, just go to Railfanning. And it's cold, to be honest. Usually it's like summertime, but I think the wind's probably making it cold. Alright, on to the next video. Roll it.